Hear the motor purr. Hello, everybody. Nick Skiba here with you with beautiful blue Ford Explorer. This is a 19, and it is a local. It was actually special ordered, and the person traded it in for a pickup truck. And so I guess they wanted the utility of a truck. But here we've got navigation, it's all-wheel drive. Let me scoop down in here so I can show you the miles on it. Just 8,400 miles on this vehicle, so it is basically new. You're not going to find something nicer than this with less miles on it, being a sport model, leather interior with the red stitching, all the options, blind spot monitoring. Still got the factory wheels on it. I mean, you could buy this vehicle and no one would have a clue that you didn't buy it new. It's that nice. Power folding hatch and rear seats. Ford has easy fuel now, if you didn't know this, but there's not been gas caps in Fords since 2011. That's pretty amazing, considering that still some pretty premier manufacturers out there put that all with a gas cap, which is really old technology now. Look across the dash on this. There's lots to see and like. And look here. That is a DVD player for the second row seats. And here's something else cool, too. There's lots of legroom in the back of the third row. And the center row is captain's chair, so you got a nice aisle to work your way back to that rear seat if you're the little kids or adults that are going to have to ride in the back seat. Again, it's a beautiful slate blue color. It's in perfect condition, perfect shape, and you need to come see it at Snowy Mountain Motors.